You're cleaning wrong. Here's what you need to know. All right, let's break down one of the big cleaning mysteries. What's the real difference between a standard cleaning and a deep cleaning? I get this question all the time, and honestly, it's way more important than most people realize. So, if you're wondering which service your home actually needs, stick around. Let's start with standard cleaning. This is your routine maintenance type clean. Think of it like brushing your teeth every day. It covers the basics: dusting, vacuuming, mopping, wiping down surfaces, tidying up bathrooms, tidying up kitchens. It keeps your home looking and feeling fresh, especially if you book it regularly. But sometimes life happens. Maybe you've had guests over, it's allergy season, or your kitchen just got away from you. That's when deep cleaning comes in. Deep cleaning is a whole different level. We're talking about moving furniture, scrubbing baseboards, cleaning inside appliances, hand washing those nooks and crannies that haven't seen daylight in months. At Bear Brothers Cleaning, I use a 33-step house cleaning checklist to make sure every corner is covered. So, which one do you need? If it's your first time using a cleaning service, or it's been a while, a deep clean sets a fresh foundation. After that, standard cleaning keeps things in shape. And hey, if you're renting, moving in, or moving out, deep cleaning is your best friend. Landlords love it, and so do new tenants. Here's the best part: Bear Brothers. Cleaning backs every job with our Berry Clean guarantee. Not satisfied? I'll re-clean for free, no questions asked. Plus, all cleaners are background checked, bonded, and insured, so your home is in good hands. No time to clean? Let us help. Call Bear Brothers, cleaning at 256-633-6332, or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com, because your home deserves to be berry clean.